If you don't like fried motherboards but still want to build an epic PC, then avoid these mistakes. First up, choosing the wrong power supply. More wattage isn't always better. Stick to what your components need. Second, forgetting thermal paste. Your CPU will thank you. Trust me, overheating is a no-go. Third, cable management. Don't let your PC look like a spaghetti monster. Tidy cables improve airflow and cooling. Fourth, not checking compatibility. Make sure your motherboard, CPU, and RAM are all best buds before buying. Last but not least, skipping a BIOS update. Keep your system running smooth and secure with the latest firmware. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll have a smooth, powerful PC build. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips.